In this video, you'll learn how to change the text and display size on your Pixel 9 Pro XL. This process allows you to customize how content appears on your screen, enhancing readability and usability according to your preferences. Begin by locating the Settings app on your Pixel 9 Pro XL. You can find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap on the Settings icon, which resembles a gear. Once the Settings menu opens, scroll down to find the option labeled Display and select it. Within this section, you will see various options related to display settings, including those for text and display size. Next, look for the options titled Text Size and Display Size. These settings allow you to control the size of the text and the overall display elements on your device. Tap on either option to access the sliders that will let you adjust the sizes. You will notice a preview appearing that demonstrates how the changes will affect your screen's content. As you adjust the sliders, consider what size feels most comfortable for your eyes, and increasing the size will enhance readability, making text easier to see, while decreasing it will allow more content to fit on the screen. Take your time to find a balance that suits your daily usage needs. Once you are satisfied with your selections, you can proceed to apply these changes. After making your adjustments, exit the settings menu by tapping the back button or simply pressing the home button to verify the changes you have made. Open different apps on your device. This will allow you to see how the new text and display sizes look in various contexts. If you find that further adjustments are needed, return to the settings menu and repeat the previous steps to fine-tune your preferences. Your adjustments to the text and display size settings should now be applied effectively. This customization can significantly enhance your experience when using the Pixel 9 Pro XL by making your screen easier to read and navigate. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next Europea.